Thanksgiving much, so can you pay my bills? Can you pay me to the phone? Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel or here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, you guys, so today we have a hair tutorial slash review for you guys. I am using the Butta Lace Unit 17 wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video of how I applied it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so we got the Butta Lace wig. This is in Balayage Chocolate, and it is the Unit 17 wig. So we're about to install this. Okay, y'all, so I just put some powder like on the lace area. So we're going to try her on. I'm not putting on a wig cap or nothing because I am being super duper lazy. I'm literally just throwing this on to go to my parents' house. Alright, so this is what she's looking like before I cut off the lace. So I'm just going to pin it back. Get to cutting. Snip, snip. And I'm cutting in like a zigzag motion. So this side is cut off, and y'all, I'm not really gonna be worried about these like ear flaps because we're wearing this in the middle part. So I'm basically just gonna glue the front part down. All right, so let me cut off this other side. Okay, y'all, so like I said, I'm not gonna worry about like my edge flaps because the hair is going to be coming down. So we're just gonna focus this glue like right here. Well, this ain't even glue. This is the Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray. We got some oatmeal. And I'm just gonna spray it. I need to get some more of this. It's not even coming out. Okay. Ooh. Drip, drip. It is dripping, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna fan this. This is some flimsy piece of mail. This is not sturdy. Alright, I'm gonna do one more spray. Do one more spray. This ain't even coming out. Okay, there we go. And I did a little bit too much. We're gonna move this around over here. Okay. Yeah, that's sticky. Okay, now let's pull this down. Okay, my storage got full, so I had to delete some stuff. But okay, so we just sprayed it on. I'm about to tie this little edge scarf on. Okay, so we got this on. Took something on. Alright, so now I'm going to go and get my my hot comb, and we're going to flatten this bad boy out as flat as possible. I'm gonna spray just a tiny bit of spritz on the part real quick. Okay. And then off this scarf because this scarf is in the way. Okay, we had a little malfunction. It's still kind of malfunctioning, but y'all, I don't care. At this point, I do not care. Alright, I'm gonna get a little bit of water, put on my forehead where some of that excess spray was at, so we can get that off. Try not to get it close to the lace. I'm about to add some concealer. Yeah, I'm going in with this color on the actual part, which looks pretty good to me. All right, we got a oldie palette. I don't even know if Anastasia even makes these anymore. Let's try this one. We gonna see. That might be a little too dark. Let's go with this one. Yeah, I think that looked better. But this stuff's so old, y'all. I don't use this stuff anymore. But this is what she is giving. Okay. She cute or whatever, but I don't know how I feel about all of this right now. Probably because I did not take my time for real. I'm kind of rushing. So, yeah. And also I don't have the sides secured. It's just this part. Are there clips? So, yeah. Let's secure them bad boys. Let's secure the clips. Okay. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, we do got this wig on and it's giving much so. Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? But anyways, it's giving Beyonce to me. Beyonce's like Destiny's Child era. So I do like this wig. Let me step back so y'all can see where it comes down on me. I'm loving the color. Here's the length for in the back. So yeah, she is cute. I am liking her.
5 hours later.
Alright, you guys, so I'm coming to you all a few hours later. So I've been wearing hair today. It did start to tangle some, so I did have to brush it out just a little bit when I got home. But overall, I like this hair, you guys. I think it looks pretty cute. What do y'all think? Alright, so let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this wig before or if you like this wig on me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.